Well, hello there, welcome back to the channel, and if you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. In today's video, we're going to take a mini tour of the house decorated for the end of summer, and then we're going to take a look at the backyard to see the new landscape. So let's go ahead and get started. We're starting the tour in the front yard. Some of these plants, I had to replant them in the spring because during the last winter the temperature was very low and some of them died. But now in the heat of the summer everything is thriving. Now we're moving into the porch area. For the door, instead of using a wreath, I used this beautiful French country basket that I got at Michael's many years ago. And I decorated with some flowers from Hobby Lobby and Amazon. The theme is yellow and green. On the bench, I added this beautiful garland with bees that is from Amazon. And on the pots, I also added additional flowers from Amazon.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
And now let's go inside and take a look at the foyer. And who's greeting us at the entrance? Dear Stella. Please give a big thumbs up to Stella. I kept the entrance table very minimalist. I added this Murano glass starfish that I made last year and also added some more greenery. Now we're moving to the mud room. I also have a very minimalist. These wicker baskets are from IKEA and the pillowcases are also from IKEA. They are blue and yellow to keep with the theme of blue and yellow.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Now let's go take a look at the powder room. In the powder room, I kept it also very minimalist and functional. I added a new hand towel and this soap that is from Trader Joe's. This hand towel is from TJ Maxx. I also added this wicker basket with some disposable hand towels. Now let's go take a look at the dining room. It's very simple and minimalist with a punch of yellow color. I added this kitchen towel with some blue tones, some green plates from TJ Maxx, and these beautiful yellow flowers from Amazon. The wicker basket is from IKEA. This candle is called Marine Moss and is from Target. Now let's go ahead and move on to the dining room table. I kept the decor very minimalist also. I added a beautiful table runner from the bullseye section at Target. To create a centerpiece, I used a round wicker basket and I added this beautiful antique picture that I got in Rhode Island a few years ago, and I added some greenery from IKEA. I also added some blue and beige napkins from Target and a bowl filled with lemons from Hobby Lobby. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. I used a lot of yellow, green, and blue colors to decorate the kitchen. These pendant lights are from Pottery Barn. On the pantry door, I added this beautiful fern wreath. And on the wall, I added this very nice plate that I got many years ago at Pier 1 Imports. I created this simple vignette by using some kitchen items including glasses, a canister set, and a kitchen towel. These glasses are from Saks Fifth Avenue and they're handmade Murano glass and they have a beautiful amber color. On the other side of the stove, I added a few kitchen cookbooks, a plant from IKEA, a lemon from Hobby Lobby, and in the back I added a cutting board from Home Goods. As you can see, you can create a very beautiful and simple decor by using elements that you already have in the kitchen and by just adding flowers and lemons. I also created this small vignette around the electric mixer using this tray from Home Goods, and I added some lemons and more flowers. On this wall, I added this blue plate from Marshall's and the white plates are from TJ Maxx. On the kitchen island, I added this decorative wicker basket from Home Goods and I added more yellow flowers from Amazon. And now let's go outside and take a look at the landscape that I created to make this beautiful cottage coastal garden.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for coming along with me to watch this video today. And if you have not subscribed yet, please take some time to subscribe today. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.